Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for September 6th. So, let's get started.
This day in history!
On this day in history, September 6th, 1860, Jane Addams was born. She's best known as the founder of Hull House, a place that provided aid to poor working-class families in Chicago. These centers are often called settlement houses. Her commitment to improving the lives of those around her led her to her work for social reform and world peace. Also, on this day in 1892, the first gasoline tractor to be sold in the United States was shipped by its builder, John Froelich of Froelich, Iowa, to Langford, South Dakota. Farmers in Langford did not have wood or coal to run older-style steam-powered tractors, so the gasoline tractor made their work much easier, and their horses could take a rest. And on this day in 1964, Rosie Perez was born. She is an Hispanic American actress and dancer. Perez was nominated for an Oscar in 1993 for her performance in Fearless. Today on Word Power, we'll learn about the word flash. Oh, but we have to do it very quickly because flash means to appear and pass by very suddenly. Gone in a flash. Flash also means to shine out in a sudden burst of light. For example, a lightning flash. The word flash even sounds fast, doesn't it? I mean, it comes out of your mouth in a rush and it's gone. Flash. See? Flash. You wouldn't say flash. You might say slow. But you wouldn't say slow. No, slow does not flash by.
Ooh, extreme.
Today on Extremes, we ask, who imports the most oil of any country? The answer is the United States. The United States imports about 13,500,000 barrels of oil a day from other countries. Japan ranks second in oil imports, while China ranks third. The Netherlands and France come next. Each one imports over 2 million barrels of oil a day.
Health tips.
Sometimes people say we use food for energy like cars use gasoline. However, that is only a small part of the story. Gasoline doesn't make cars bigger. Gasoline doesn't make cars stronger. Gasoline doesn't repair dents and accidents. Healthy food does. If you have a dishwasher at your home or a clothes washer, be sure you have a full load before turning them on. Washing a few dishes or a small load of laundry wastes water and energy. Now, suppose you have a favorite shirt and it's dirty, but you really want to wear it. Suppose there's not much laundry built up yet. What should you do? Ask your parents to wash that one shirt? Or wait? I leave it up to you. But I bet I can guess your answer. It's wait. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.